Every woman wants a set of longer and thicker eyelashes to look beautiful. There are lots of artificial ways to improve your eyelashes with mascara, false eyelashes, or eyelashes extensions. But often these things just make your real lashes even weaker. So here are 6 home remedies that will make your lashes grow and look longer. Number 1. Castor Oil. Castor oil is one of the best home remedies to make your eyelashes grow longer. It contains nourishing fatty acids that help your lashes to grow faster, longer, and thicker. Castor oil also contains beneficial antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, which in combination with the rich source of nutrients aids in encouraging hair growth. Use a clean brush or a cotton swab to apply castor oil on your lashes before going to bed. You can also add a few drops of vitamin E oil to the castor oil before applying. Leave it on overnight, then rinse it off with lukewarm water in the morning. Number 2. Almond Oil. Almond oil is rich in vitamin E that will help you to get longer and thicker eyelashes. Dip a cotton swab in almond oil. Before going to bed, apply the oil carefully on your lashes, just as you would apply mascara. Leave it on overnight, then wash it off with lukewarm water in the morning. Repeat this remedy daily for a few months until you get the desired result. Number 3. Aloe Vera. Aloe Vera is an effective home remedy that can help you get long and thick eyelashes. It contains several vitamins and nutrients that promote the growth of your lashes. Moreover, it helps keep your eyelashes moisturized. Using a clean old mascara wand, apply some fresh aloe vera gel on your lashes before going to bed. Leave it on overnight, then rinse it off with warm water the next morning. Number 4. Coconut milk. Coconut milk contains healthy fats as well as protein, which would help your eyelashes grow longer and thicker. Regular application of coconut milk would also make your lashes attain a beautiful shine. Soak a ball of cotton into a cup of cold coconut milk. Squeeze out excess milk and place the cotton on your eyes. Remove the cotton after about 10 to 15 minutes and wash your eyes with cool water. Repeat this remedy every day for quick and effective results. Number 5. Green tea. Green tea is another excellent home remedy for longer, thicker eyelashes. It is rich in flavonoids that stimulate the growth of your lashes. Prepare a cup of unsweetened green tea and set it aside to cool down. Use a cotton swab to apply the green tea on your lashes, from the roots to the tips. Allow it to sit for 15 minutes, then rinse it off with cool water. Do this twice daily for 2 to 3 months. Number 6. Egg yolk. Egg yolk has long been linked to hair care products and is an effective home remedy to promote hair growth. Therefore, it is not surprising to note that egg yolk can help your eyelashes grow longer and thicker. The protein content in egg yolk would nourish your eyelashes and help them become thicker and shinier with time. Extract the egg yolk from an egg and add a few drops of almond oil to it. Mix nicely and add a tablespoon of glycerine to complete the mixture. Using a cotton swab, gently apply the mixture on the lashes. Wait for the mixture to dry nicely for maybe an hour or so, and then wash it off with cool water. For best results, follow this remedy at least 3 times a week. Additional tips. In order to care for your lashes, it is very important that you have good nutrition. A diet rich in proteins, vitamins, and minerals is best. Stay hydrated so that your skin is moisturized from within. Do not use too many cosmetics. Continual and prolonged use of masks and mascara as well as eyeliner could affect eyelash health, causing them to fall out and grow weak. Don't use fake eyelashes. Fake eyelashes can be useful for special occasions, but you should avoid using them. They can damage your natural lashes and affect eye health. Avoid rubbing your eyes. This can weaken your lashes, causing them to fall out from the root. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. If you have any questions about this video, leave it to the comment box. We will try to respond as soon as possible. For more health tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel.